Calling all DIYers here in the Fraser area. I have a super cute house with a ton of potential, listed at $190,000. It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for previewing my newest listing here in Fraser. If you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.